this is an instructional video for the Handel Bouree, number 6. And you can find lots of recordings of this out there on YouTube of many people playing it. Make sure you get the viola version though, because it is in a specific key. So for this lesson, I'm going to go straight through. I'm not going to take the repeats. Make sure that you do when you're working this up for us. And also just watch the key signature. You have some accidentals, but you have F natural, C natural for the most part throughout this piece. So I have my metronome set at 78 today. It should go a bit faster than that. You're going to want it around 90 if you can, is an ideal tempo. But do whatever is best for you. It's kind of vague with the allegretto marking at the beginning. So here we go. Very beginning, we'll take this first repeated section. 1, ready, play. High 2. So in line 2, you have F sharp that comes back a couple of times. Make sure that F sharp goes through measure 5 because you have it twice in that measure. But then go back to C natural on the A string for the next measure. Let's move on. So you will play that section twice and then go on from there. Here we go. Pick up to measure 9. 1, ready, play. 1, 2. 1, 2. Up again. Up again. Through because the end is very similar to the very beginning, but then the notes change in measure 21, so you have to be careful about that. A couple things to watch out for. The second section, once you get to measure 9, you have some real tricks with the rhythm, and a lot of kids make this error. So make sure in measure 10 and 11 that you're really counting. Don't lose track of where your quarter note is. So metronome practice is going to be super important with this section. So I'd like to do that part one more time. We're going to start right where that repeat sign is at the pick up to 9, and I'm going to take it extra slow so you can really count through this. And if you want to play it pizzicato as well, that could be a helpful tool for counting here. Here we go. Extra slow. Pick up to 9. 1, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 1, 2. Up. 1, 2. So you'll notice that it's real easy to rush through some of that just because you have quarter note, or you have a half note in the middle of the measure, so you have to really count through that. The other thing that's a little weird in this is measure 13, 14, and 16. You have a breath mark. It's not really a bow lift, it's a breath mark because you're going to go up bow again. So they're allowing you to stop your bow ever so slightly to get that next up bow in there. That's all that means. So don't let that freak you out. You're just going to go up bow once again, and you're used to doing that anyway. So I hope that tutorial helps you. Feel free to listen and go through this with me as many times as you need to, and then gradually work on speeding up the tempo on your own. Thanks. Bye.